Hi everyone and welcome to Assemble Parts and Components in Fusion 360. I am a CAD evangelist and a training manager for an Autodesk authorized academic partner. In this Fusion 360 course, we will create parts and components and turn them into a dynamic assembly. Some of the key topics in this course are in-context assembly, turning bodies into components, creating sub-assemblies, importing non-native file into Fusion 360, enabling contact sets, creating joint limits, and adding intelligence to our model with Motion Link. By the end of this course, you will be enlightened on why sketching and constraints in part modeling is very essential, and how it relates to assembly creation. Finally, after completing this course, you will have the confidence to dive into more complex assemblies. Join me as we assemble parts and components in Fusion 360, and let's get started on your first assembly.